Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you ready to make some nice needed updates with your duvet insert? If so, then you will love this one from RUIKASI. This is a beautiful, soft, and fluffy insert that I immediately fell in love with. As soon as I received the insert, I placed it into the dryer, which fluffed it up to perfect, billowy, softness. The insert fits in so well into the duvet cover. I really appreciate that not only does it have the tabs at every corner, but it has buttons that will work with your current duvet cover. So all I had to do was button them right in, and this thing stays so secure. It really does not move around at all when you're throwing the covers around and having to remake your bed. The blue lines on the sides really make for a nice accent detail, and I like them because it helps me to always remember how to put it inside the insert and the direction that it goes on the bed. I find that really helpful. The buttons are so well put together on this insert. It feels very well made. The bedding inside is nice and even, so you don't have any pockets where it feels flat, but rather this just fits inside all of your bedding so well. If you want to be super comfy and cozy at night, then you need to get a nice insert to go inside your cover, or you could even use this on your own if you like a white cover. I am so happy that I found this because it is really soft and really makes for such a great night's sleep. But that's just my point of view.